Hello guys, welcome back to literature classes. This is Avilasha Yadav. Guys, today we are going to talk about Maya Angelou. Who is Maya Angelou? She is known as the American poet. She is known as an American poet and she was basically played role in the favor of black people. She was also the poet of blacks. Okay, she is known as the spokesperson of black people and her works. She wrote so many works and her works have been considered as the defense of black culture. So, who is Maya Angelou? What she has done for the favor of black people and what are the important works that she wrote and for which work she is known popularly. We shall discuss all these things in the detail in this video. So without doing a further delay, let's move right into the topic. So guys, who is Maya Angelou? Maya Angelou was born in 1928 in St. Louis, Missouri. She was an American poet. She is known as the memoirist and also the civil rights activist. Okay, if we talk about the biographical information about Maya Angelou, so she was the daughter of Billy Johnson, who was a doorman and dietitian. Okay, and Vivian Johnson. She was a nurse, car dealer. Okay, her mother was a nurse and car dealer. Guys, Maya Angelou's brother, older brother, Billy Jr. What was the name of her brother? Billy Jr. So her older brother Billy Jr. gave her a nickname Maya, which was derived from Mai. From where it was derived? From Mai or Maya, sister. Okay, she was taken care by her grandmother. What was the name of her grandmother? She was Annie Henderson. Who was she? Annie Henderson. Guys, Maya Angelou was known as the spokesperson of black people. She wrote the work which are dedicated to black people. Okay. She published 7 autobiographies. Guys, Maya Angelou focuses basically about her childhood, about her adult experiences, about her adult life. She worked as an actress, as a writer, as a director, as producer of plays, movies, and public television programs. Okay, she was named after the first Reynolds Professor of American Studies at Wake Forest University in Winston-Salem. That was situated in North Carolina. Okay, उसको जो है in 1982 में वेक फॉरेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी जो कि कहाँ पे थी? विंस्टन सलेम नॉर्थ कैरोलिना में, वहाँ पे उसको क्या दिया गया था? माया एंजेलो को फर्स्ट रेनॉल्ड प्रोफेसर का पोस्ट दिया गया था. ठीक है, उन्होंने एक्ट्रेस, राइटर, डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ प्लेज, मूवीज और टेलीविजन प्रोग्राम्स में भी काम किया है. She is known basically for her memoir, or you can say for her first autobiography, that is I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. It was published in 1969. Okay, guys, Maya Angelou is known as Margaret Annie Johnson. Her full name was Margaret Annie Johnson. Okay, she published 7 autobiographies, 3 books of essays and several books of poetry. Okay, उन्होंने बहुत सारे वर्क्स पब्लिश किए हैं, 7 ऑटोबायोग्राफीज पब्लिश की हैं, 3 एसेज पब्लिश किए हैं, बहुत सारी पोइट्री पब्लिश की है और उन्हें जो है क्रेडिटेड विद अ लिस्ट ऑफ मूवीज़, और उन्हें जो है क्या किया गया है, उन्हें बहुत सारी मूवीज़ के लिए भी क्रेडिट दिया गया है. एंड ऑल्सो शी वर्कड ऑन द टेलीविज़न शोज़ ओवर 50 years. ओके, सो और उनकी जो 7 ऑटोबायोग्राफीज थी बेसिकली वो किस पे फोकस करती थी, उनकी चाइल्डहुड लाइफ पे और उनके एडल्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस पे बेस्ड थी. ठीक है, उन्होंने शी हैज़ डिस्क्राइब्ड, माया एंजेलो हैज़ डिस्क्राइब्ड अबाउट हर रेप. शी वॉज रेप्ड वंस एंड इन द पोएम केज्ड बर्ड, in the poem Caged Bird, she described about her rape. Guys, ये जो माया एंजेलो है ये बेसिकली जो है okay, she wrote according to the themes like racism, आइडेंटिटी, फैमिली एंड ट्रैवल. इनकी जो पोएम्स थी वो बेस्ड थी रेसिज्म पे, आइडेंटिटी, फैमिली एंड ट्रैवल. बेसिकली वो इन्हीं थीम्स पे काम करती थी. 1993 में इन्होंने एक पोएम रिसाइट की है. शी रिसाइटेड अ पोएम ऑन द प्रेसिडेंशियल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इनॉग्रेशन ऑफ बिल क्लिंटन. हु वॉज बिल क्लिंटन, विच वॉज द पोएम नेम ऑन द पल्स ऑफ मॉर्निंग, which was, and she recited that poem in 1993. She became the first poet to make an inaugural recitation. Okay, वो पहली पोएट बनी जो कि इनॉग्रल रिसाइटेशन जिन्होंने किया. Like Robert Frost. Robert Frost also recited a poem on the presidential inauguration of John F. Kennedy. And when? In 1961. John F. Kennedy के प्रेसिडेंशियल इनॉग्रल पर उन्होंने एक रॉबर्ट फ्रोस्ट ने एक पोएम को रिसाइट किया था इन 1961. सेम वे माया एंजेलो ने 1993 में पोएम रिसाइट की अपनी, कौन सी पोएम, ऑन द पल्स ऑफ मॉर्निंग. ओके, 1995 में, in 1995 she delivered second public poem that was entitled as a public poem, A Brave and Startling Truth, which was the poem name. I wrote all the poems name in italic form so that you can easily understand that this is the name of the poem. So, A Brave and Startling Truth. In which year? 1995, which was commemorated 50th anniversary of United Nations. Okay, at the age of 85 years की जब वो थी, उन्होंने क्या किया, अपना 7th volume पब्लिश किया है. Which was the 7th volume of her autobiography is Mom and Me and Mom. This was the 7th volume of her autobiography. As I told you that she published 7 autobiography. Okay, and she is known for the autobiography. This Mom and Me and Mom focuses on her relationship with her mother. मतलब इन्होंने जो पोएम पब्लिश की है मॉम एंड मी एंड मॉम, ये जो है किस पे फोकस करती है, इनकी जो रिलेशनशिप थी इनकी मदर के साथ में, इसके बारे में ये फोकस बताती हैं या इस पे बात करती हैं. ठीक है, इन्होंने जो है बहुत सारी पोइट्रीज, प्लेज, स्क्रीन प्लेज, टीवी और फिल्म में काम किया है. टीवी फिल्म डायरेक्टिंग का, एक्टिंग का, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का काम किया है. ठीक है, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू वन थिंग दैट आई नो वाई द केज्ड बर्ड सिंग्स. I know वाई द केज्ड बर्ड सिंग्स जो है इनकी पोयम, वो बेसिकली इसी पोयम से इन्हें जो है क्या है, इस पोयम में इन्होंने अपनी लाइफ के बारे में बताया है. शी टेल्स हर लाइफ अप टू द एज 17 एंड विद दिस पब्लिकेशन शी गिव्स अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ हर पर्सनल लाइफ. जो इनकी पोयम है आई नो वाई द केज्ड बर्ड सिंग्स, जो कि पब्लिश हुई है 1969 में, इसमें इन्होंने अपनी लाइफ के बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है अप टू एज 17. एंड इसी पोएम से इनकी लाइफ का रिफ्लेक्शन पता चलता है, इनके पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में पता चलता है. ओके, देन she was a successful poet. Maya Angelou was a successful poet. She was called as the Black Woman's Poet Laureate. She was called as the Black Woman's Poet Laureate, and her works have been called as the anthems of African Americans. जो माया एंजेलो थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल पोएट थी, एंड उनको क्या बोला गया, ब्लैक वुमेन्स पोएट लॉरिएट बोला गया. और उनकी जो पोएम्स थी उनको अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन का एंथम बोला गया है. क्या बोला गया है? अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन का एंथम ऑफ अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन्स. ओके गाइस, हर वॉल्यूम ऑफ पोइट्री जस्ट गिव मी अ कूल ड्रिंक ऑफ वाटर फॉर आई डाई. This volume of poetry, this was her first volume of poetry, which was nominated for Pulitzer Prize. For which prize? Pulitzer Prize. And she was chosen to recite a poem. Which poem? I told you that on the presidential inauguration of Bill Clinton, she recited a poem that was on the pulse of morning. After the success of Just Give Me a Cool Drink of Water. Okay? जब इनकी पोएम जस्ट गिव मी अ कूल ड्रिंक ऑफ वाटर फॉर अ डाई, जो कि 1971 में पब्लिश्ड हुई है, ये जो है पुलिट्जर प्राइज के लिए नॉमिनेट हुई है. इसके बाद में इनको पोएम को रिसाइट करने के लिए चूज किया गया. ठीक है. हर स्क्रीन प्ले जॉर्जिया. It was published in 1972 and was the first original script by a black woman to be produced, and she was the first African American woman to direct a major motion picture. Which was a major motion picture? Down in the Delta in 1998. इनका जो स्क्रीन प्ले था जॉर्जिया, जो कि 1972 में आया है, ये एक ओरिजिनल स्क्रिप्ट थी एक ब्लैक वुमेन के द्वारा. ठीक है, मतलब इस पोएम को एक ओरिजिनल स्क्रिप्ट माना गया, ब्लैक वुमेन की एक ओरिजिनल स्क्रिप्ट माना गया. और शी वॉज द फर्स्ट अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन वुमेन, और ये एक पहली अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन वुमेन थी जो कि एक मोशन पिक्चर को डायरेक्ट जिन्होंने किया. कौन सी मोशन पिक्चर थी? डाउन इन द डेल्टा, 1998. So guys, this was the brief introduction about Maya Angelou. ठीक है, माया एंजेलो के बारे में जो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें थी मैंने आपको बताया. एंड इनके जो इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्क्स हैं, बेसिकली इनकी जो इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑटोबायोग्राफिक्स हैं जिसके लिए जानी जाती हैं, यही पेपर में पूछा जाता है कि in which year this poem was published, this autobiography was published, and who wrote this autobiography. They will give you the 4 names and you have to tick the right answer. Or if they ask in the subjective questions, so you have to give the names of 7 autobiographies with the year of publication. So what are the 7 autobiographies of Maya Angelou? I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. This was the first autobiography, was published in 1969. Then Gathered Together in My Name. Gathered Together in My Name came in 1974. Then Singing and Swinging and Getting Merry Like Christmas. in 1976. Then The Heart of a Woman. This was her fourth autobiography, The Heart of a Woman, in 1981. Then All God's Children Need Traveling Shoes. All God's Children Need Traveling Shoes. This was published in 1986. Then A Song Flung Up to Heaven. A Song Flung Up to Heaven came in 2002. Then Mom and Me and More. This was published in 2013. Okay. So guys, this was the introduction. This was all about Maya Angelou. She was born in 1928 and died in 2014. Okay. So guys, that's it for today. I'll meet you very soon with a new video. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.